What's up everyone, Jay here with LMR, and today we'll be covering 87 and 93 dash pad replacement. This 87 and 93 dash pad replacement will feature a factory textured finish and fitment will be spot on. We do offer these in a variety of colors, but depending on your year, these can be painted to match using our interior spray paint kits. If you do have to paint these to match, make sure to check out the video and the link in the description below to help you out. Follow along and we will show you what's all involved on this install. First, open your passenger side door and locate the glove box. Open this and empty it of all of its contents. Press in on the glove box stops on each side and release this downward and out of the way. Now, disconnect the plug for your glove box light. If you own a 90 to 91 model, you will need to remove the airbag auxiliary power supply, which is mounted above the glove box. You will need to disconnect the electrical connection and remove the power supply by gently working this out of place and set aside. Next, remove all three of the 9mm nuts that retain the dash pad in place. Two of them will be located above the open area of the glove box, and the other one will be to the left of the AC vents. To gain access to the last one, you will need to remove the two center vents and the vent surround by using a small screwdriver against the airflow adjustment wheels, prying them from the surround. Now gently pry up on the lock tabs on the bottom of the center vents, working them around in a circular motion. Take your time here and be patient with this step so you do not break anything. Once all the tabs are released, you can fully remove this from the dash. Locate the last 9mm nut on the driver's side and remove this from the car. Starting on the passenger side of the dash pad, pull away and you can now remove it from the vehicle. Clean your dash of any dirt before reassembling. Reinstall the new dash pad starting with the driver's side first, and then align the two remaining studs with their holes. Tighten all three of the provided nuts and washers back down evenly to prevent the pad from becoming crooked. Reinstall the vent surround and the AC vents back into place. Now you can reconnect your glove box light. Reconnect the airbag power supply if equipped. Push the glove box back in place and you're all done. Guys, this is a super simple job to do roughly in a half an hour with basic hand tools. These dash pads over time become faded and cracked due to age and sun fade. Doing this will bring your Mustang's interior back to how it should be. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications. And as always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.